Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got this 3M wireless Bluetooth headset with inbuilt radio. Pretty nice actually. It also takes away a lot of noise when you're working with power tools or lawnmower. And I was really happy with it until I dropped it accidentally and this thing fell off and it broke. Seems very delicate. Tried the epoxy glue, Gorilla Glue, didn't really work, couldn't hold it anything. Looked up online on one of the websites. I found industrial gear. They were selling $15 for a pack of four. And then I happened to call 3M, and they were very kind to send me not one, but actually four pieces here. So I got four, and then I also learned these are called blighters. So at this point I'm going to get this replaced, take this out and put it back on, and hopefully this will be back on action and we should be good to go. Let's get this. Okay, so I took this piece out. It was a bit of, I had to use this wrench. I mean, you could also use a plier to hold it. The reason is because there is a little bit of wedge on this metal piece. So I hope you can see it now. So that's why it wasn't really an easy, simple pull out. So you had to use some kind of force to pull in opposite direction. So I just want to mention that use a plier to get this out. And at this point I will be trying to put this in, but before I put this new piece into the metal piece, I am going to actually insert it in here into this piece. So I will be, because you can see that if you see here the makeup of this little the whatever it's called, the holder I will call it for now, it's a little, obviously it's wide here, and it's a little narrow on this side. So I will be, I will be actually posting, I'm sorry, I'm using both my hands, one for the phone and one for this. So I'll be inserting this like this, and then it will straighten up like that. I don't want to break this piece, so I'll be working it, pause the phone and get this on, and then show you the outcome. Okay, so the piece is in with a bit of, I had to use a bit of maneuvering, but it's in and it didn't break, so that's good. So at this point I'm simply going to insert this metal piece on top, and I think it should be ready to go. Alright, this thing is back on. So that was a simple insert. I wore it on my head and it worked as good as normal. It doesn't fall anymore, so that's great. I do want to thank 3M at this point, Bren from the 3M customer service, who took my call and sent these four pieces over to me. I really appreciate that, and thanks for making this part, calling it blighters, and I couldn't be happier. Now I can use this much longer than I thought I will be able to. So keep making good products, and thanks for standing behind the product as well. Take care.